What if I told you that I built a faceless YouTube channel without showing my face, without using my voice, and with zero prior experience, and today, it generates income even while I sleep? Sounds surprising, right? But it's completely real. I didn't know much about editing, writing scripts, or YouTube strategy in the beginning, but through learning, testing, and using smart tools, I built a system that works and anyone can follow it. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you, step by step, how I went from knowing nothing to running a channel that now works for me in the background. The turning point: one night, while scrolling through YouTube, I came across a faceless video with millions of views. No voice, no face, just good visuals, narration, and valuable content. That's when it clicked. You don't always have to be on camera to build a channel. At that time, I knew nothing about scripting or editing, but I had two things: curiosity and determination. So I made a decision: I'm starting a YouTube automation channel, and I'm going to commit to it. Choosing the right niche. The first step was picking a niche. I wanted something evergreen, profitable, and in high demand. After researching trends and CPM rates, I chose the AI niche because it was growing fast and had a large audience. But this isn't the only option. Finance, self-improvement, motivation, tech reviews, luxury lifestyle all work really well too. The key is choosing a topic you can create content for consistently. 3. My tools and workflow. Here's how I set up my system without any advanced skills. ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas and drafting script outlines. Pictory AI to turn scripts into videos using stock clips and narration. 11 Labs Amazon Poly for realistic, high-quality AI voiceovers. Canva to design thumbnails quickly and effectively. YouTube Studio to track analytics and improve my strategy. I don't just rely on automation, I personally review, edit, and customize every video before publishing. 4. Uploading my first video. My first video got only 12 views, but I didn't stop. I committed to uploading 2 videos per week and improving something every time, whether it was my title, thumbnail, visuals, or storytelling. By week 5, 1 video started gaining traction, and that was my first small breakthrough. 2. Scaling the channel. Once I had a repeatable system, I started scaling. Hired a freelancer to help with editing, used ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas in batches, scheduled videos a month in advance, focused on topics that had high retention and search demand. Over time, older videos kept bringing in views and revenue, even when I wasn't actively uploading. Lessons learned. Here's what I discovered. Focus on content that performs long-term, not just short trends. Use analytics to guide your strategy. Don't wait for perfection, you improve as you go. You don't need expensive equipment, and you don't have to be an expert.